In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a script and teleprompter in Zoom with Prompt Plus. If you want to sound more polished during meetings, presentations, or recorded calls, using a script can make a huge difference. The goal is to stay on message while still looking natural on camera, and Prompt Plus is a simple way to do that. First, download and install Prompt Plus on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the app and get familiar with the main workspace. This is where you'll manage the text you want to read during your Zoom session. Next, create a new script or import an existing one. If you already have talking points, a presentation intro, or a full speech written out, bring that in. If not, you can type directly into the app. Before you begin using it live, take a moment to clean up the script so it reads smoothly out loud. Shorter lines and clear phrasing usually work best when reading on camera. After that, adjust the font size and scrolling speed. This part is important because your setup should feel comfortable, not distracting. Make the text large enough to read at a glance without straining your eyes, and choose a scroll speed that matches your natural speaking pace. If it moves too quickly, you may feel rushed. If it's too slow, you'll end up waiting on the text. Once Prompt Plus is ready, open Zoom and start or join your meeting. With both apps running, keep Prompt Plus visible over or beside the Zoom window. The exact layout depends on your screen size, but the idea is to make the script easy to see while still keeping Zoom accessible. Now position the script as close to your webcam as possible. This helps you maintain better eye contact with the people in the meeting. If the script is too far off to one side, it can look like you're constantly reading from another screen. Keeping it near the camera makes your delivery feel much more direct and natural. When you're ready, start the scrolling script and begin speaking. As you go, adjust the speed in real time to match your delivery. It's completely normal to speed up or slow down depending on the section you're reading. And if you lose your place, need to repeat a point, or want to take a pause, simply pause or reverse the script whenever necessary. That flexibility is what makes a teleprompter tool especially useful during live Zoom conversations. With a little practice, this setup can help you sound confident, stay organized, and present more smoothly on camera.